All right, guys, today we're gonna cook red tilapia. You can get it from your farmer's market. I think different places like Sam's Club and Costco sell them. These are definitely farm raised. I'm gonna show you how to cook them or fry them without cutting through the sides. So this is the first thing you do. Show you what you do. I use apple cider vinegar. Some people say just use regular white vinegar, but I grew accustomed to using apple cider vinegar. You just need enough in the top and in the water. Now note, I pre-washed these fish. I pre-washed them before all of this happened. So these are already pre-washed. Next, you get a sharp knife, a fillet knife. Since the scales is already off, I don't really have to use a box cutter. I know you see me using a box cutter a lot. And you just get yourself some sharp knife. Grab my fillet knife. You hear that? That's the bone. Go through. And see, my family don't really like to eat the bone. We like to eat our fish out of the bone. So, and sometimes we don't really like the certain skin of certain fish. You want to just pick it up and bite it instead of cut behind the gills. Now you have one big fillet. Voila, one big fillet. No bones in here, so all you have to do is pick it up and eat it. And like I said, I set it in that water. Likewise, you do the other side. Cut along this. Voila, another big fillet. And if you noticed, all the bones on this fish, belly meat, I really don't eat belly meat of the fish. That's the most toxic area of the fish. You see all the bones on the fish and the scales. And that's how I do it. Instead of what they do is they slice here, here, and here, here. Now, if you're a fan of eating the head of the fish, that's you, you know. Everybody's different. This is just a waste of time me frying it like that just because it look cute. This is the skin. We really don't even eat the skin of the fish either. I mean, it's the fish here. This is like a mud line. Now it's up to you if you want to eat that. I really don't eat that either. And this is that dark line here. Sometimes that gives fish a weird taste when you eating them. So I cut it into strips, and golden fish batter. It's already prepared and ready for you. All you have to do and I bought this, remember, it's on my channel, Bass Pro Shop. All right, this is your fish, all battered up. This is the finished product. And like I said, all you have to do with this is pretty much your hot sauce, or if you don't want hot sauce, if you like it by itself, you know, you pick it up, no bones. Steak fries, get yellow potatoes or golden potatoes. They're the best ones for steak fries. Perfect. Now, also, I would like you to watch these clips of these funny incidents from people starting their fishing season. I'm getting ready to start my fishing season pretty soon, but we've been having weather up and down here in Ohio, so check it out.
Pass that out there in that funny hole, and you just wait for it. Oh, big mama. Hey! 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 Oh my God!
All right, guys, hit that like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, let's get it.